MP3 offers great sound quality with small file sizes, making it a popular choice for music lovers. Want to transfer MP3 files to your iPhone? This video covers 5 easy methods, with or without iTunes. Part 1. How to add MP3 to iPhone with iPhone Music Transfer. Using iTunes to transfer MP3s may erase existing data. To avoid this, try iPhone Music Transfer, which offers more benefits while expanding your music library. Guide: How to copy MP3 to iPhone with iPhone Music Transfer. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable and launch the iPhone Music Transfer program on the computer. Turn to your iPhone and tap Trust to allow the program to access your iPhone. Step 2. Directly click on the Music option from the left-hand column and then you can see all audio files on your iPhone. Step 3. Navigate to the top menu to click on Add, and then choose Add File or Add Folder in the drop-down list to import MP3 to iPhone at once. Part 2. How to put MP3 on iPhone with iTunes. Method 1. How to put MP3 files on iPhone with iTunes manually. Connect your iPhone via USB and open iTunes. Click the device icon, go to Summary, and enable Manually Manage Music and Videos. Under Music, drag and drop MP3 files into iTunes. Method 2. How to get MP3 on iPhone with iTunes automatically. Open iTunes, add MP3s via File, add file to library, connect iPhone. Click the device icon, go to Music, enable Sync Music, and click Apply. Part 3. How to transfer MP3 to iPhone with AirDrop. AirDrop MP3 from Mac to iPhone. Enable AirDrop on both devices. On Mac, select MP3s, click Share AirDrop, and choose your iPhone. On iPhone, tap Accept to receive files. AirDrop MP3 from iPhone to iPhone. Enable AirDrop, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth on both iPhones. In the Music app, select MP3s, tap More, Share, AirDrop, and choose the target iPhone. On the target iPhone, tap Accept. Part 4. How to put MP3 on iPhone with Music app on Mac. Connect your iPhone to Mac and open the Music app. Trust the computer, go to Songs, then drag and drop MP3s to your iPhone. Part 5. How to save MP3 to iPhone with Dropbox. Install Dropbox on both devices and log in. Upload MP3s from the source device. Then open Dropbox on your iPhone to download or stream them. Summary: which method is the best?